Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, Blast Furnace 5 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant surpasses 18 million ton production mark. Performance award presented to departments of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. And Srujani Mela Cum award function held at Sintering Plant 3, Department of SAIL, RSP. Now the news in detail. Blast Furnace 5, Durga of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, has surpassed the mark of 18 million ton hot metal production on 4th April 2021. It is worth mentioning here that the last 1 million ton was made in just 126 days. This is one of the fastest as per industry standards. Mr. Deepak Chattara, CEO RSP, congratulated the Blast Furnace Collective and all associated department for this remarkable feat. It is worth mentioning here that the last milestone of 17 million tons was recorded on 29th November 2020. At that time, the last 1 million ton was made in 129 days. It may be noted that Blast Furnace 5 Durga, that started hot metal tapping in 2013, was the biggest operating furnace of the country at that time. As a part of annual performance award function of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, organized recently, Mr. Deepak Chattara, CEO RSP, presented the performance awards to departments of different zones for their noteworthy contributions in their respective areas, which helped the plant to register its best ever performance in the last fiscal. In the Group 1 Iron Zone category, blast furnaces won the first prize while the sintering plants bagged the second prize. Similarly, in Group 2 Steel Zone, Steel Melting Shop 2 came first while Steel Melting Shop 1 was placed second. In Group 3 Meal Zone Plate Mill was adjudged as first and Hot Strip Mill the second prize winners. Production Planning and Control Department bagged the first prize in the Group 4 Services Zone category, in which Safety Engineering Department was placed in the second position. A Srujani Mela Cum award function was organized for the employees of Sintering Plant 3 Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 30th March. Mr. A.K. Datta, GM in charge Center, was the chief guest of the program. He inaugurated the Mela and also presented the Srujani Awards and certificates to the employees. Present on the occasion were Mr. S.S. Punia, Manager IED, other senior officers, awardees and employees of the department. In all, 403 suggestions were awarded in the function. All of them have been implemented. Mr. S.S. Punia briefed about the status of Srujani scheme at RSP and that of the department in particular. More than 120 suggestions were generated in the Mela. The dignitaries presented token gifts to the employees for their suggestions. The function was coordinated by Mr. A.K. Biswal, Senior Manager SP3. Mr. M.K. Tarai, Senior Manager SP3, proposed a formal vote of thanks. That's all for today's news. Namaskar.